Welcome guys. To solve this challenge, we need to extract this from this. And how do we do that? We do that by, first of all, rewriting the expression. We have 1 over x root x. And according to sort, this x can go inside the root. And then we have square root of x times x squared, then plus 1 over square root of x times x squared. It's still the same thing because square root of x squared gives us x, therefore it comes out of the root and become x root x. So this is a basic rule of sort. And so according to indices, this becomes x cubed, then plus 1 over square root of x cubed, and we can rewrite this as square root of x all to the power of 3 plus 1 over square root of x all to the power of 3. So according to indices, we haven't done anything wrong here because root is the same thing as saying times 1 over 2, and we can swap the position of these two because 3 times 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 2 times 3. That's the same thing. So we have square root then all to the power of 3. Here we can go ahead to use the identity of alpha cube plus beta cube, and we know that that gives us alpha plus beta multiplied by alpha squared plus beta squared minus alpha beta. So we'll be using exactly that to factorize our cubic term, our cubic expression, plus we can write this one as 1 over root x all to the power of 3. And now here root x represents alpha and 1 over root x represents beta. So then factorizing this, we'll get root x plus 1 over root x all squared plus 1 over this also all squared, then minus root x times 1 over root x. So now moving further, we have root x plus 1 over root x, and then multiplied by root x squared gives us x plus 1 over root x squared gives us 1 over x, then minus root x cancels root x, and then we have minus 1. And now from the equation given to us, we know that x plus 1 over x equals 7. So therefore we can substitute this, and then we're going to have plus 1 over root x, then 7 minus 1. And guys, if you enjoy solving logical and tactical mathematical challenge, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting challenges like this. Therefore, this will be reduced to root x plus 1 over root x, then times 6. Now we know x plus 1 over root x, but we don't know root x plus 1 over root x. How do we derive the value of this? We can actually derive it easily from this equation. We can rewrite x as square root of x squared, then plus 1 over square root of x all squared, and that equals 7. And we have a sum of two squares, so we can just factorize it to get square root of x plus 1 over square root of x all squared minus 2 times square root of x times 1 over root x, and that equals 7. So then when we simplify this, say that root x cancels root x, so we have square root of x plus 1 over square root of x all squared, then minus 2 equals 7. And then when we transpose this, we're going to see that square root of x plus 1 over square root of x all squared equals 7 plus 2, that's 9. And then we can go ahead to take the root. So therefore we have square root of x plus 1 over square root of x to be equals square root of 9. Therefore that gives us plus or minus 3. So therefore we can substitute this value. Now instead of root x plus 1 over root x, we just write plus or minus 3, and that multiplies 6. And therefore our final answer would be 18 and minus 18. Correct. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Have a good day.